What's up, weirdos? All right, one more video before we call it a day. Let's wrap this up, guys. So listen, bit of a nothing burger at the summit today. Now, somebody argued with me in the comment section saying it wasn't a nothing burger. The news was good. Yes, the news, whether good or bad, has nothing to do with what a nothing burger is. Okay, a nothing burger means that fantastic news, awesome, great news came, but it did nothing for the price. Okay, that is what a nothing burger is. So it was a nothing burger, just like I told you guys it would be. And listen, guys, I only say this. I'm not pumping my own tires. I'm just saying this because there was a lot of larger content creators out there, all over X and all over YouTube, all week, promising you guys $127,000 Bitcoin on Friday. That did not happen. I told you guys that was not going to happen, and it didn't even come kind of itsy bitsy close to happening, right? So, like I said, guys, nothing burger leading into a probably bit of a red weekend. So, you guys have been holding your dry powder because I told you to be ready. So, if we do in fact have a red weekend this weekend, which it looks like we will, you have the opportunity to dollar cost average to scoop up some of your favorite altcoins or Bitcoin itself. And yeah, to the news, don't get me wrong, at the summit today was very, very bullish on a macroeconomic scale for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrency with no immediate impact. And nothing is going to move this market, you guys, until we see QE start again. I've been saying this, I've been pounding on this drum for months, and I feel like people aren't listening to me or something because I keep saying it, and then people ask me the next day, every time something big happens, they say, well, why isn't the price moved? I said, well, I've been telling you for months, nothing is going to move the price until we see rate cuts continue and money printing start. Now, it doesn't have to be in the US. In 2021, the bull run, the parabolic part of the bull run was kicked off by China printing money and stimulating their economy. So it doesn't necessarily mean that we have to see this economy stimulation. It's a weird way to put it. By the US, it could be by China, right? So that's what we're waiting for, guys. And until it starts, we might see moves here and there. I mean, listen, I think we could see the latter half of March. We could see a nice run upwards, not parabolic, but a nice run upwards, because Bitcoin and as a result, altcoins tend to follow tend to lag behind the price action of the M2 money supply, right? The chart of the M2 money supply. And that has been on the rise again. It rose back around November, December. We saw Bitcoin and altcoins have a nice run in that time frame, and then it crashed back down again. The M2 money supply, that is, crashed back down since then, but has been on another upward trajectory. And Bitcoin and altcoins tend to follow suit in a lagging way. I think a few weeks behind, right? So if that pace continues, we should see a run to the upside closer to the second half of the month. But outside of that, guys, the parabolic part of this bull run is not going to start until we see quantitative easing, in my opinion. Until we see that, everything means nothing. All we can do is hurry up and wait. Okay, so get comfortable, dollar cost average, not financial advice. Pick up your favorite stuff and be patient. That's all you can do is be patient, right? All right, so let's have a look at some price action here. So what do we got? XCN up 2.3% on the day, up 1.3% on the week, down 51.5% on the month, up 507% on the year. We're up 4 spots and ranked to 119, $479 million market cap, 53 million in volume. Jasmy down 3.4%, 3.5% on the day, 11% on the week, 29% on the month, and 24.5% on the year. Even in rank at 80, $785 million market cap, 44 million in volume. Swiftcoin up 11.3% on the day, down 0.7% on the week, down 50% on the month, but up 164% on the year. We're up 14 spots to 271, $139 million market cap, 13 million in volume, and ZBEC down 3% on the day, 16 on the week, up 52.9 on the month, down 3 spots in rank to 341, a $99 million market cap, 16 million in volume. So what is Bitcoin doing, you ask? Well, I tell you. We bounced off support here around that $85,000 level. We're at $86,183 right now. Again, guys, I told you guys we were going to ping pong between 85 and 91 for a few weeks. I don't know why this is a surprise to anybody. I guess there's people who are new here. They come, they're new, and they want answers. Well, I've been telling you guys for a few weeks now that we were going to ping pong. When we were up here, we were going to come down, and that's why we got this. This is the CME gap down here between 78 and 80,000. We filled it for the most part. And now we're back up above, and we're ping-ponging exactly where I said we would ping-pong, which is, fantastic, whatever. Consolidation, right? Consolidation and accumulation. Nothing has changed for Jasmy, still inside of its bullish structure, sitting at 1 cent 619. Nothing new there. Nothing new on Onyx Coin either. Still ping-ponging inside of its bullish structure. ZBEC, exactly the same thing. Still ping-ponging inside of its bullish structure. They're all wound up and ready to go. If we go look at SwiftCoin, however, SwiftCoin made a break today. Broke up to about 1 cent 543 and then came back down. We're sitting at 1 cent 391 right now. Can we make another run at it? Can we confirm this breakout by retesting the top trend line and then continuing up? Or will we fail the retest and come back down inside? That's what we're waiting to find out on this daily candle close. We won't know that until tomorrow, however. All right, couple of quick little updates here for you guys. Onyx Dow, guys, they have their AMA coming up. I don't consider it an AMA, but it's an AMA, they're calling it. They've picked 20 questions. So they have cherry-picked 20 questions from the community. 4 will receive the prize. So they're giving out a prize to 4 people who ask questions. We will also conduct a live section at the end of the AMA with any additional questions being answered where time permits. So basically hop into their Telegram and they will respond to you, hopefully, during that time frame. So yeah, for me personally, it's not really an AMA, but at least they're giving the community something, so we'll take it as a bullish sign. Hopefully they're not just softball questions that they picked, and hopefully they give us some tangible answers. We'll find out. Moving over to Jasmy update, friend of the channel, Neo Extrix, he made this for us here. He says, with the imminent arrival of Jasmy's stablecoin, here's what it could look like. Check it out from Neo himself.
With the imminent arrival of Jasmy's stablecoin, here's what it could look like. The JPD will be the main stablecoin of the ecosystem, backed by the yen. It will serve as the reference currency for transactions within the Jasmy ecosystem at the national level. As a stable asset, it will be used for payments, exchanges, and large-scale value storage on the platform. The DD coin, also backed by the yen, will have a more specific and localized role. Users will be able to earn DD points through interactions via regional community applications. This stablecoin will therefore be reserved for certain internal or local transactions. However, it will be possible to convert DD coins into JPYD, facilitating regional exchanges and encouraging the use of the currency in local applications. In short, the JPYD and DD coin are complementary. The former serves as a global-based currency, while the latter provides a stable solution for regional or specific transactions, while remaining convertible.
I'm very excited about this ecosystem, guys. Very, very excited. When it gets up and running, man, look out. I'm telling you. All right, guys, look. So I do one-on-one coaching calls over on the Patreon, and I had one today, and somebody, the individual had said something to me that kind of resonated, and they said, that they had been in 4 other Patreons or Discords before ours, right? And they said that it was all generic. There was no personalization to it. It was just a generic, throw this out there and for everybody, and no real personalized help. And that what we do here, guys, on our Patreon is very, very different. We call it the hand-holding assistance, I suppose you could say, right? That's what we do there, guys. We help you on a personal level. We help you on a your portfolio is different than everybody else's, like a fingerprint, okay? So I can't just give you a generic, overview answer like most channels will offer. We don't do that here. We help you as an individual, right? Your portfolio. That's why we do the one-on-one coaching calls, so that you can ask all the questions. It is your time to shine in these one-on-one coaching calls. It is there for you to ask all of the questions that you need help with. And it's up to us to be there to help you with these answers as best we can. Whether it's structuring your portfolio, compounding your gains into other projects, creating an exit strategy, or learning how to do research, or learning how to, whatever it is you want to learn. That's what we're there to teach you, right? We do hundreds and hundreds of these one-on-ones every month, right? The spots book up very, very fast, guys. So get over there and get a more personalized touch to getting the help that you need in this bull run, guys, okay? We do live streams over there every single evening as well, where you can jump in, you can ask all the questions you want, get help not only from me, but from a community of over 1,900 people, right? There is a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips there, guys, that's going to help you be successful in this space, right? And it's all simply for the price of a Happy Meal. These other channels are charging over $100, and they're only giving you generic cookie cutter plans that are lazy and that they think suits everybody, and it just doesn't. Everyone has a different risk tolerance, a different portfolio, a different structure in their portfolio, I like to know you. I like to know your ambitions, your goals, your plans, your fears, right? All of that when it comes to your investments. That's how I'm able to help you, right? I want to know who I'm helping. Who are you? Get your one-on-one booked in, guys, with me personally. And let's have a chat. Let's get you going in the right direction here, whether you've been losing money, trying to swing trade, or just not sure what you should be doing. Get over to the Patreon, guys. Book your one-on-one. Let's get you pointed in the right direction, okay? We also drop gems over there all the time. There's one that we're accumulating right now that I am extremely bullish on, guys. Tiny market cap, great tokenomics, great narrative, great partnerships. This one's going to go nuts. If you think that the XCN run in in January was big, you have not seen anything yet. I promise you that, my friend. So check it out, guys. We're live on the Patreon every single night. Book your one-on-one coaching calls and so much more. Also, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Storage Wallet, guys. Get yourself one. Look, I have one. You got to get yours, guys, okay? Hold your own crypto. Do not trust exchanges. They can go insolvent. You lose your money. They can freeze your ability to trade anytime that they want. It's not up. Do not trust someone else with your money, okay? Hold your own crypto. Self-custody is the best way to go. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.